Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm going to show you a really easy, cheap way to make a delicious pumpkin spice latte, just like the kind maybe you used to get at Starbucks. Let me give you a little refresher course. This is a small pumpkin spice latte at Starbucks costs $4.45. I'm going to show you how to make exactly the same thing that tastes better, that has no sugar and almost no carbs for about 25 cents American. Let's get started. Before we put some nice, hot, strong coffee in our cup, I'm going to put in here about a tablespoon, or maybe a bit less actually, maybe 2 teaspoons of heavy cream, like that. About a quarter of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice extract. This is a liquid, about a quarter of a teaspoon, like that. And of course we're going to put in some sweetener. This is the sweetener that I did a recipe for not too long ago, and about a teaspoon of that or so. Now we're going to go over to the coffee maker. Here, as you can see, I've got about 10 grams, and that's 2 tablespoons of ground coffee in my K-cup. I'm going to stick that in the machine. There we go. And let it rip. And finally, to give it the appearance of a cafe latte, I'm going to use just about a teaspoon or so of some whipped cream. And this isn't whipped very much, actually. I wanted it just to be foamy. We're going to let it float on top. And there we have it. Well, all right, let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, definitely. Not too sweet, but a little bit of sweetness, and really that full rounded flavor of those pumpkin pie spices. Just delicious, I think. Oh yeah. I think you're going to like this recipe. And just as a note, even with the cream floating on top, the whipped cream, just about 50 calories per serving. You can cut that in half by leaving the whipped cream out altogether. And enjoy maybe a second cup. Why not? Listen, thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. Before you go, please don't forget to like, share, especially on Facebook, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Helps my channel grow, and it helps you find my videos. We'll catch you next time. Tim Talks Cooking.